Hi, my name's Rian Thompson. I'm a dancer with the Queensland Ballet, and one of my favourite things about working for this company is regional touring. I love sharing the magic of ballet with communities across Queensland. One of my first experiences with Queensland Ballet was seeing them perform in my hometown of Mackay. I was 14 and it was a production of The Sleeping Beauty. I remember feeling so inspired and so enthused by what I saw out there. It sort of showed that there was something else out there that I could do. When we're on regional tour, we perform to a variety of different theatres and spaces. Some nights we could be performing to 2,000 and others to 100. We always find this to be an exciting experience, adapting to different spaces and stages, but for us it is always just about the audience there and how excited they are to see us. I know in some cases we've had people in the audience who have driven 3 hours from their properties to come see us, and I remember talking to parents outside of these shows and saying, we wouldn't have missed it for the world and we're so grateful you're here. We wish you could come more. This makes me feel like we've made a difference to someone's life. And I always think that theatre is such a transforming experience. It takes people away from their day-to-day and lets people escape. And now I know that's the way that I approach theatre, and the fact that we're able to do this for these regional audiences, I think is very special.
Hi, Rocky.
Have you ever been to Toowoomba?
No, I haven't.
Welcome to Toowoomba.
We're in Mackay. We're so excited.
Probably one of my favourite memories on tour is each year I get to perform for my hometown of Mackay, and knowing that probably over half the audience there knows me or my family, and then when I see them all out in the foyer and see how happy they all are that they've come to see me and support, that's really special. It's so important for us to inspire and connect with dancers of the future. I always hope that the inspiration that I got from watching Queensland Ballet as a young person, that we're able to do that for someone one day. And someone might end up joining Queensland Ballet one day who's from regional Queensland and be like, well, I used to watch you. And I think that's very special. In 2021, we're excited to be back on the road again, bringing you Tutus on tour. We can't wait to see you there.